If your dishwasher is showing this salt symbol, it is usually not a machine fault. It usually means the dishwasher wants attention to the salt reservoir. And one quick clarification before we go any further. This is not about normal table salt. The short answer is simple. On dishwashers that use a water softening system, the salt symbol usually means the machine wants dishwasher salt checked or refilled. So if you were worried this icon meant the dishwasher was breaking down, that is usually not the case. Dishwasher salt is a product used in certain dishwashers to support the machine's built-in softening system. It is different from table salt, and you should not treat them as interchangeable. That is the part many people get wrong. They see the word salt and assume the machine is asking for something from the kitchen. It is not. The symbol usually appears when the dishwasher wants the salt reservoir checked or topped up. Exactly how early it appears can vary by model, so the timing may not look identical on every machine. That is why it is better to treat this as a refill or attention signal, not as a universal error code. Here is the safe next step. First, confirm that your dishwasher model actually uses dishwasher salt. Many do, but not all. Second, if your model does use it, check the reservoir location in your manual or inside the machine. Third, use dishwasher salt intended for that purpose. Do not improvise with table salt. If the symbol stays on after you have handled the reservoir correctly, then it makes sense to check your manual for model-specific guidance. So the simple takeaway is this. The dishwasher salt symbol usually means refill or reservoir attention, not panic. If you are also seeing the rinse aid symbol or the dishwasher tap icon, those mean different things, and those are worth understanding separately.